Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Friday afternoon. Are you going to ask me if I'm having fun yet? Well, it's been so much fun trying to forecast this storm, folks, but it's now moving in, so we're doing a nowcasting situation. Anyway, let's get into it and show you what's up. All right, in the purple zone from Gloucester to Boston to Norwood, down to Putnam, Connecticut, including Springfield, there's a winter weather advisory until 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. In the pink zone, 495 out through Worcester and Fitchburg and Greenfield, a good chunk of New Hampshire. In Vermont, you're under a winter storm warning until 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Local temperatures as of about 1 o'clock this afternoon, 36 in Boston, close to 40 in P-Town, 41 in Hyannis, low and mid-30s in north central Massachusetts, southern New Hampshire, closer to freezing in Concord, and about 34 in Springfield, near 40 in Hartford, in the middle and upper 30s in the Providence area. Here's what's happening with low pressure now developing back through West Virginia, southeastern Ohio. That's going to be moving east-southeast, redeveloping around the Delmarva Peninsula tonight and intensifying quickly, dragging colder air down. So even though we're going to have a mixture of snow and rain and probably go to all rain in Boston for a time, I do think precipitation is going to go back to all snow late tonight or tomorrow morning, and it could snow hard at that point in time. Radar is of about 1:20 this afternoon, shows a mixture of rain and snow in the greater Boston area, but you see the rain line advancing up from the southwest and heavy rain coming into southwestern Pennsylvania down through the Virginias and the Carolinas as this storm starts to get organized. As we look at the weather map, 8 o'clock Saturday morning, there's an intensifying storm located about 150 miles to the south of Martha's Vineyard. And it should be snowing hard in Boston at that point in time. Still probably raining in Providence to Cape Cod, but even there, precipitation could flip to snow during the afternoon. So that's 8 a.m. tomorrow, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's still snowing pretty hard in Boston with the snow line collapsing south. We're going to have to watch this very carefully. How much snow are we going with? Well, I've been bouncing around a little bit here, zigzagging a little bit, but I'm going to stick with 3 to 6 inches of snow from Methuen down to Boston, into Dedham, into Putnam, Connecticut, from Worcester north and west, 6 to 12 inches, from Brockton, maybe just north of Providence, 2 to 4, and then very little south of that. It looks like it's going to be a heavy, wet snow situation. So, let me lick my lips and take a breath. And here we go. For this afternoon, it's a mixture of light snow and rain gradually getting steadier and heavier. There'll be some sleet mixed in. Temperatures in Boston close to 40. Now, precipitation probably going to all rain along the coast late this afternoon and overnight tonight. But you get into the 128 belt, it's a mixture of snow, sleet, and rain. You get out to 495 and beyond. That's where you get pasted with heavy, wet, cement-like snow. Big range in temperature overnight, 31, 495 area to about 36, 37 in Boston. The other story is the winds tonight will freshen from the northeast at 20 to 40 miles an hour. There could be some scattered power outages. Tomorrow morning, I think if it's raining in Boston, it's going over to heavy, wet snow. And I think it's going to snow hard, at least until about, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's going to look like a pretty good snowstorm. Temperatures actually falling back in the low and mid-30s as winds turn from the east into the northeast. And then finally, the storm's out of here by about 4 o'clock in the afternoon on average. And Sunday, finally, thank you, it's partly sunny, at least 50. Monday is sunny, start in low 50s, cooler at the coast. Could be some rain here Monday night and Tuesday. So that's my forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. We'll be here throughout the afternoon. We'll keep you posted. For now, I'm Mark Rosenthal.